Hey, everyone. Today, we're diving into the top 5 action cameras that are perfect for capturing your adventures, family moments, and even creative projects at home. Whether you're looking for high-end cinematic quality or a budget-friendly option, I've tested them all so you can pick the right one for your needs. Let's get started. Number 1, GoPro Hero 13 Black. First up is the GoPro Hero 13 Black. This camera is a beast. 5.3K video, 27MP photos, and the new HB series lenses let you get cinematic close-ups and ultra-wide POV shots. It's rugged, waterproof, and perfect for travel or even backyard adventures. Pros: exceptional video quality, versatile lens mods, great stabilization, durable build. Cons: battery life could be longer, and extra lenses can get pricey. Overall, the Hero 13 Black is a fantastic creative companion worth considering. Number 2, AKASO EK7000. Next, we have the AKASO EK7000. Don't let its price fool you. It delivers crisp 4K 30fps video and 20MP photos with smooth electronic image stabilization. It's lightweight and comes with a waterproof case, ideal for beach or pool days. Pros: great value, smooth stabilization, durable waterproof case, includes 2 batteries. Cons: remote isn't waterproof, low resolution screen, limited low light performance. It's a solid budget action camera that really gets the job done. Number 3, Insta360 X5. The Insta360 X5 is next. This one blew me away with its 8K 360 degrees footage and incredible low light performance. The invisible selfie stick effect makes every shot feel cinematic without extra gear, and I love the replaceable lenses and long 3-hour battery life. Pros: ultra sharp 8K 360 degrees video, excellent low light quality, replaceable durable lenses, and long battery life. Cons: selfie stick sold separately, micro SD card not included. For creative filming, the X5 is a powerhouse. Number 4, DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is perfect for adventurers. Its 1/1.3-inch sensor captures stunning low-light footage, while 4K at 120fps keeps your action crisp. Dual OLED touchscreens and 360 degrees horizon steady stabilization make vlogging and sports recording a breeze. Pros: excellent low light performance, long battery life, ultra stable footage, dual OLED displays, rugged, and waterproof. Cons: MIMO app activation required, fixed focus lens, limited voice control range. It's ideal for content creators and thrill seekers alike. Number 5, GoPro Hero. Finally, the classic GoPro Hero. This tiny 86G camera packs a punch with 4K Ultra HD video and 12MP photos. Rugged, waterproof, and easy to carry, it's great for on-the-go adventures. Pros: lightweight, durable, excellent video/photo quality, easy to use. Cons: limited depth waterproofing, small size can be tricky to handle, and micro SD cards are required. Perfect for anyone who wants to capture every adventure effortlessly. So there you have it, 5 amazing action cameras for every type of adventurer or creator. Whether you go high-end or budget-friendly, each one brings something unique to the table. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest reviews. See you in the next video.